just came in and we're actually here in a parking lot. But anyways, this is will be our new tarp cover. So we removed our J-top and we got this from Amazon.
Yeah.
Here's the instructions right here, and here's the tarp cover.
Yeah.
And here's
All the hardware.
all the hardware for it. And the good news is this only costs $14 in Amazon. Yep. So here, see, look, there's no holes. It's all fully covered. So we're just here in the parking lot, and step one, we are going to put our soft top back down. We already removed our J-top cover, so this is just it right here. After putting our soft top back down, we are going to remove this piece right here using our Bronco tool right here. We unscrewed this part right here and this part right here, and then we put their hardware in here and in here. We just finished putting all the hardware in. We just screwed it on here, 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 and there, all both sides. And then now we're preparing to put the tarp on. So we're now installing the bungee cord.
Yeah, so it says that you just need to loop that in and go in there.
We put 8 bungees already on all sides and the rear. We are now doing the front.
Yeah.
And to do the front,
So we still need the bungee.
we still need the bungee, okay? And
We
then,
loop the bungee in.
uh-huh.
And there's this thing. So you put the bungee in between this hook right here.
Uh-huh. So we finish hooking up the bungee to that hook.
Yeah.
And
then
that
the
hook-
first one will go here. Can you see it?
Yep. Oh,
Right
cool.
there. And then we need to put one more here to
Uh-huh.
go here.
So we're now putting the bungee.
The front side. There. And then there.
Oh, wow, that was easy.
Yeah.
Now the other side. So we just finished putting the bungee in and then hooking it up right here. And then we're just gonna hook it up right there. We just finished hooking it up right here. There, that's it. All done. All for 14 bucks or $13.99 in Amazon. If you guys want to put your soft top back on, we would have to remove that hook there
And then this.
and then the side hook,
Yeah. But then
because you need this to clamp on the soft top. This is what we did. We folded it, but first we unhooked it, then we folded it, then we used the bungee cord to hook it up right here. So we just finished putting our top back on, and look, it's perfect. All right, so we're now taking this out for a test drive.
Test drive.
There's still a gap right here,
Yeah.
which is fine for $14, but we can just use this to cover it up.
Yeah.
There you go. All right,
And
let's
then we'll see if this is gonna be floppy or something.
go. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna zip tie some of the parts here.
Yeah.
All
Cool.
right,
Let's go. This is our top right now.
It's,
Whoa!
it gets floppy.
It
But we'll also,
is.
because our windows are down. Here, let's put it up. Let's put it up.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, it's still
It's
floppy.
still floppy.
It's floppy.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh,
shoot.
it's about to fly.
Oh damn!
It's about to fly.
We ended up having a wind sail. It's a wind sail.
I know. I don't think we can drive this like really, really fast.
We would have to we would have to reinforce it.
Yeah.
Here, let me put the windows down now.
Uh-huh.
Let's see how floppy it gets. Woo!
We're going about 50 miles an hour.
Yup, we're in a 50-mile-an-hour zone right now. And yeah, we just gotta reinforce it. So for $14, there's a lot of floppiness
There's a lot of floppy.
versus the J-top. So we are now reinforcing it ourselves with our zip ties. Let's finish zip tying this here to the brackets, so it'll be a lot stronger, and also it'll be less floppy now. Zip tied it here in the rear.
After we zip tie, how many points? 6 points.
6 points, yup.
Now we're we're doing another test drive
to see if it's still floppy. But the good news is it's now more secure.
Yeah.
So right now we're in a 50-mile zone. So I'm now trying to hit 50 miles an hour. But it's stronger now.
But still looks like it's it's still floppy.
Cool. I
right.
like it. I like it. Right, so we're back here at Cappy's, and I got me their breakfast burrito with chorizo, French toast, eggs and bacon with cottage cheese, and bread. All right, let's do this.